Love those odd animal friends. Not sure an Ewok counts, though.
So in case you're wondering, dark whispers are never a good thing. Thankfully, Addie's master had a little bit of fight left.
This is it, Addie! You've got to signal the council! The distress beacon! No! Master Silver!
It took everything Addie had to hit the distress beacon. After that, without her master, well, there are some things you shouldn't have to do alone.
It's no use. Shouldn't go that way.
Padawan Addison-Z.
Master Yoda!
Received your distress call. The council did.
So quickly? I only sent it moments ago.
Sent 3 days ago, it was.
No, I can't quite catch my thoughts.
Focus, Padawan. Remember, you can.
Wait. Yes. Master Silwyn. We found a relic.
Ancient Sith runestone. Sent the council her findings. Your master did.
We thought it was safe, but then something... They're gone. I don't feel any of them.
No. Lost, the temple is.
There were whispers. But it was my voice.
grips you, the dark side still does. Fear dominating your thoughts. Trained for this, you have, Padawan.
Of course. I need to center myself.
Now, contain the relic. I will.
Master Yoda, with you here, perhaps we can set it right together? I want to help.
Been through much, have you? Remain here. You will.
As you wish. Master Yoda, please, be careful. Can't just... It's too dangerous inside alone. I have to help him. There's gotta be another way in. Feel the relic from here. Reaching out. Master Yoda? Security system myself. Master Yoda? Stone. What? That thing killed all but Abby? Master Silver. I'm almost there.
Oh, Addie. It's too late. You'll never be a Jedi now. You weren't strong enough. But I forgive you.
Forgive me?
Yes, Addie. For what you did to me.
No! I would never! You lied! Master Yoda! What is this place? I don't recognize this room.
Here, Padawan. Closer. Answers have I.
Master Yoda, I can't remember what happened here. I can't remember what I might have done.
Live forever under the shadow of your deeds. You must.
Why would you say that?
Took their lives you did. Without mercy. Without hesitation.
No? I couldn't. I don't believe you. It's not me. There's something wrong with this place.
Yes. Only death here now follows you. It does.
What's wrong with my lightsaber? It won't activate. Murdered him! I'll destroy every one of you!
Padawan, center yourself. Find calm, patience, balance, Padawan. Your weapon, not needed it is. Knowledge, defense, Adi, never attack. Fear, do not give in. Down the dark path it leads you. Powerful androids control you, it must not. Padawan, away with your weapon. Adi, allow peace to be your strength.
Addie was fighting the Demlins, but the darkness finally overcame her. I didn't know when I started out, but it looks like the Demlins were the real heroes of this story.
Murdered him! I'll destroy every one of you!
Center yourself. Find calm, patience, balance, Padawan. Your weapon not needed it is. Knowledge, defense added, never attack. To fear, do not give in. Held the darkness we have. Clear your mind of guilt, Padawan. The acts you fear true, deceptions of the dark side they were.
But there's still darkness in me. I feel it.
Darkness in us all. The power to resist, to choose the light. The essence of a Jedi. That is. Proud of you, your master would be. A fine Jedi Knight will you make.
Me? But...
Much strength today. Ready for your trials you may be.
Thank you, Master. I won't let you down.